you are welcome to another video. On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make up to $500 per day on Digistore24 with a free method that I'm about to show you. So make sure you follow me step by step till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. In my last video, I showed you how to create a Digistore24 account, so today I'm not going to go through that. But all of you know that Digistore24 is available worldwide. So wherever you are, you can create an account and you begin to use this method to make money from home. Once you've created your Digistore24 accounts, you are going to log in, and what you are supposed to do is that you are going to come here, click on the marketplace so that you can find products on this platform to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to find several products that you can promote. So they have digital products, they have physical products, they have events and seminars. So whatever product that you want to promote under any category, you can find a product here to promote. So as you can see here, we have events and seminars, physical products, and then we have the digital products. So on Digistore24, the digital products are many, so you can select any category and then find a product to promote. On this video, I'm going to be using the health and fitness niche so that I can help you understand how to promote a product with a free traffic source. So if you want to promote any other category, you are going to follow the same steps and you are going to be successful. So make sure you keep on watching, don't skip any part of this video. So what we are going to do is that you are going to come to the health and fitness category. So when you come here, you can see fitness and health. There are a lot of products under this category that you can promote, but I've been using this one, so I'm going to use this one today to demonstrate for you to understand the Meticore. This is a weight loss supplement that helps people to lose weight. So we are going to promote this particular product so that you can understand. Maybe if you don't want to promote the weight loss products, you can just click on any of these categories and then find a product to promote. But I recommend you promote weight loss products because they are the products that you can easily get a sale, because weight loss is trending always. A lot of people want to lose weight for events, a lot of people want to lose weight for different purposes. So weight loss is always a green niche that you can promote products under. So make sure you always target the weight loss niche, personal finance, and then personal development. You also have online business and e-marketing. Those are categories that are working well all the time. As you can see, this product, the Meticore, you can see the commission rate is $158.43. So it's a very good product that you can promote and then make money online. So if you are able to get at least 4 sales per day, you can achieve your target of making $500 per day. The good part is that they have a sales page which has a video that your customers are going to watch, and then they are going to be convinced by that video to purchase the product. So when you come to the sales rank, this particular product is ranking number 1 on 8 categories. So it is a very good product that you can promote to make money from home on Digistore24. I always recommend that you click on the sales page to get more information about the product. So when you click on it, the sales page right here, you are going to land on a page, as you can see it right here. So this particular page has a lot of information about the product. So this is where your customers are going to land before they purchase the product. So as an affiliate, you need to get more information about the product, because some of the people who are going to purchase the product might want to get certain information from you before they can purchase the product. So I always recommend you watch the sales video, or if it is a text, you read through it before you promote the product. So once you've listened to this video, what you are going to do is that you are now going to begin promoting the product, because you now have some basic information about it. So you are confident that any question they ask, you can either answer it or you can refer to the owner of the product and they will get the correct answer for you. So as you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So you are going to be getting traffic to this particular link. So what it means is that you are going to get people to click through this link through your unique affiliate link. This particular link is unique to you, so you have to get people to click through it. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to earn $158.43. So if you are new, you are going to see something like promote now. When you click on it, you are going to get your unique affiliate link. So let me scroll down for you to see. When you come to this product, when you come to this product right here, you can see promote now. When you click on it, you are going to get your unique affiliate link. But I'm not going to do that because we are not promoting this product. So once you click on it and get your affiliate link, you are now going to find the traffic source that you can use to promote the product. So there are a lot of traffic sources. We have free and then paid traffic sources. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you start with the free traffic. If you get a sale, then you can begin to buy traffic, because if you begin to buy traffic without knowing much about the product, you can end up making losses, because there are certain things that you need to do to get people to buy the product. So you need to start with free traffic sources so that you can learn more about how to promote products before you can start spending your money. So I'm going to show you. So once you get your affiliate link, we are going to start driving traffic from this particular website, classifiedads.com. This is a website that you can post ads for free, so you can promote the product here. You can see there are different things that people promote here. You can see vehicles. When you come to vehicles, they have subcategories. You can see for rent, they have subcategories. You can see pets, they have subcategories. Personal subcategory, that is about dating. When you come to items for sale, subcategories. Jobs subcategories, real estate, services, and the rest. So you can promote literally anything that you want to promote on this particular website so that you can get people to buy the products. So in our case, we are going to promote an affiliate product, which is a weight loss product. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to click here, post an ad, so that you can start posting your ad here. So once you click on post ad, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. In our case today, we are promoting a weight loss product, and it's an item for sale. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on item for sale. Once you click on item for sale, you are required to select a subcategory. So you can just click on it and then select the right category. So in our case is weight loss, so that is health and beauty items. So you are going to select that. Once you select that, you are going to enter your location here. So I'm just going to enter a location. So when you click on it, you can select any of these locations. So let me select this one right here, Las Vegas. So once you enter the location, the next thing is that you are going to enter the title of your ad. You have to write a title that will get people to click through your ad. If your title here is not enticing enough, you are not going to get people to click through it. So I'm going to just type something like discover how to lose weight fast with a simple metabolic trick. Just as simple as this, how to lose weight fast with a simple metabolic trick. That is the title. The next thing is that you are going to enter the price here. So when I come back to Digistore24, the price is here. You can see that is $188.51. So that is the price of the product. So you are going to enter the same title right here. As you can see, you are going to enter the title here. So let's put it in dollars. So that is it in dollars. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, and here you are going to write some brief information about the product. Maybe you are new and you don't know what to write about the product. You can just search for the name of the product on Google. Once you search for that, you are going to get many reviews, and you can get some text there to copy and then paste under the description of your ad. So in our case here, you can see this is a review about the product. So when you scroll down, you can see different text about it. So you are going to read through it and then pick some good information about the product. So I've just found this, so I'm going to copy it. As you can see, it will end up naturally. So you just need to copy some brief information about the product. Once you copy that, you are going to come back to your ad, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste the information right here. So let me paste it for you to see. As you can see, this is the information about the product. So we are now going to write a call to action right here, so that when people read this information, they can click through that and then get access to the product through your affiliate link. So you are going to type something like, for more information, click here to get access. Okay, so this just this way. For more information, click here to get access. So that is it. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to come back to Digistore24 and then copy your affiliate link. So you are going to highlight, copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your ad, and then once you come back, we are going to just highlight this information under the description. Once you highlight it, click on this particular icon here, link. Once you click on it, just insert your affiliate link right here. Once you insert that, click on OK, and this particular text is linked to your affiliate link. So anytime people read this text and then click through this particular text, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, enter your name here. So this case I just want to enter my name, so let me enter my name right here. Once you enter your name, your email, so I have my email here, you can see that has been done. And then my telephone number, let me enter that. My telephone number, you can see the email addresses. And then what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. You can see the zip code, your city or town, so you are going to enter your town. Once this is done, you can see the duration of your ad. So in 6 months time, your ad is going to disappear. So that is a long time, so you need to keep on posting many ads here. So once that is done, you are going to type this particular code. So I'm going to do that. So we have F3, we have J, we have L, and then U. So that is it. Once that is done, you are going to add the image of the product here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to search on Google. Once you search for the name of the product, just click on images and you can get free images of the product so that you can use it in your ad. So as you can see, many of them, just right click on the image that you want to use, select save image as. Once you save the image on your PC, you are going to click here, choose file. So once you click on that, you can select the image and upload it to the platform. As you can see, so just select the image, click on open, and the image is going to appear. As you can see, this is the image. So you can add another image of the product. So once that is done, you can see post this ad. So you are going to click on that so that you can post the ad onto the platform. Just click on post ad. Once you click on post ad, you can see this is the ad as you can see it right here. So you can see my name, you can see the description of the ad. So this is how the ad is going to appear to the audience. So anyone who wants to buy the product, they can either click on the link or they will just come here, respond to the ad. They will enter their name, email, and then text you a message if they want the product. So this is exactly how your ad is going to appear to the audience. This is a nice platform that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate products. As you can see on SimilarWeb, this website gets up to 1.7 million visits per month. You can see it was even higher in the month of January. It was 2.5 million visits per month. So as you can see here, 1.7 million visits, that was much. And the traffic source, you can see nearly 45% of the traffic sources coming from the United States. And you know that United States is one of the tier 1 countries that you can get sales when you promote a product. So you can see India is 37, you can see Pakistan, Spain, you can see the traffic is even growing over there. You can see Turkey, the traffic is also even growing there. So this is a very good website that you can use to promote your affiliate products for free, without paying for ads, without paying for anything. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.